morning, guys. I'm so glad you joined the challenge. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name's Wendy Schneider, and I'm a registered dietitian in Greenville, South Carolina. I have an online business, and my website is The Pantry Doctor. You can click on this video to get more information about me, but first let me tell you a little bit about this challenge as far as meal prep plans go. This is not a strict structured program. My meal prep plans are made to be flexible, essentially so you can try new things. Sometimes we get stuck in a rut. We're eating the same things every week. So I try to liven it up and add new things each week. So for instance, there's going to be 3 dinners that you'll prepare. And you'll see in the plans when you download them that you'll have a day where you batch things. And so that's prepping it out ahead so you don't have to worry about it. And then there's the meal night instructions on what to do, which is usually just throwing it in the oven and pulling it out and it's ready to go. There'll be 3 dinners and there'll be 1 big salad each week that'll change up. So I know we get stuck in a rut with salads too, eating like the same things. So I try to switch up different toppings, different types of lettuce. So maybe you've never tried this type of lettuce before, or this fruit or vegetable or seed or nut. So I try to kind of mix that up. You also have something to combat the sweet tooth each week with no added sugar. So there'll be some type of dessert, and there'll be a couple of snack ideas. I purposely only do 3 meals because I know that we all have lives, we get busy, we go out to dinner, so I wanted it to be flexible. I want you to still be able to have your favorite meals. Maybe you'll find some favorites on these plans. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reply to this email directly, and I will definitely respond. And also, don't forget to join the Facebook group. This is where I'll be popping in, sharing live videos with you, tips on when I'm out shopping, things that I find. So I look forward to seeing you guys more over the next 4 weeks and helping you as part of the nutrition component to this challenge. Have a great week.